Okay, guys, joining. First of all, join means by the name itself, what you can understand. Okay, consider this is one table. Okay, there is another table. Okay, so if you add these two tables, for example, think that this is a EMP table, guys. Okay, EMP table, and this is DEPT table. Okay, department table. For example, in D, okay, I want department location wise employee details. Okay, see, department location is available in this, employee location is available in this table, means some information is available in the employee table and some more information is available in another table. Okay, so in this case, if you want to answer this type of a questions, okay, so for example, if you, okay, you have to join these two tables. Okay, you have to join these two tables. So, okay, so that's what, guys. Okay, you have to join these two tables and you have to make this as a single table. This is nothing but joins, guys. If you join, for example, number of rows, I mean, number of columns will be increases. Means it is a combination of two tables. What one is EMP, comma, DEPT. Means both the tables we can join. Understood? First of all, what is joining means? Joining two tables is called nothing but joining. So why we have to join these tables means join is an operation. Why we perform? Okay. Join is an operation performed to fetch the data from what? Okay. Two or more tables. For example, I have to fetch some data is available in EMP tables, some other data available in department table. So if I want to fetch the data which is available in two or more tables, we have to join the table. To fetch the data from two tables, we need to join those two tables. Okay. In database, tables are normalized. Okay. What is this normalization, denormalization? I'll explain in upcoming sections, guys. Nothing but if you have a large information, you can divide this large information, huge information in multiple tables. That is called normalization. If I tell you in simple layman words, for example, if there is a one college, guys, there is a one college. Okay. Okay. College. Okay. See, in this college, assume that, okay, lot of data is available. Okay, lot of data is available. Okay, some data is related to faculty, some data is related to fee structure, some data is related to students, some data is management, everything. Okay, see, all this data, which is available in single data, is divided into multiple tables. Like student data is separate. Okay, faculty's data is separate, and what course data is separate, and the management data means this is called normalization, guys. Normalization means the collection of information will be normalized into multiple tables. Okay, and we create a relationship between each table. For example, this is a student information, this is the course information. Student wise course detail will be created, student wise course detail. If you want, we have to create a relationship between them. This is called normalization, guys. In simple words means you have a complete data. If that complete data is divided into multiple tables, that is called normalization. Normally in databases, tables are normalized, means data is normalized. Okay, related to data stored in multiple tables. Okay, related data stored in, see, this is completely related to what? College information. This college information is divided into multiple tables. Okay, let's see, guys. I'll show you practical. You will understand. Okay, fine. Let's see, for example, there is a two tables, guys. Okay, two tables. One is what? Orders table. Second one is what? Customer tables. Now, in orders table, what are all the columns? Order ID, order date, delivery date, customer ID. Who ordered this? I mean, who ordered this? Okay. And second, we have customers, customer ID, customer name, and address. Okay. See, for example, if you want output like this, guys, what you want? Order ID. Wait. Guys, can you able to hear me? Just give me confirmation. I just lost power, so I connected through my mobile.
Yes, now it is okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, see order ID. See, you want to join, I want to join these two tables. Which two tables? This customer table and the orders table. So I want output like this. What? Order ID, order date, delivery date. Okay. Next what? Customer ID they didn't mention, but think that, okay. Customer name, customer address. Then if you want like this means you have to join these guys. Okay. For example, let me show you one basic joinings, how it will be. Let me open what? Oracle Apex. If you want to join, there should be some common column, guys. Okay. Normally, we join based on common column, that is equi join. There is a non-equi join is also available. We'll discuss. Let me see first one method, then we can go to another things. See, guys, everyone please observe. Just see the EMP table. Select star from EMP. Just tell me what are all the different columns is available. Employee number, employee name, job, manager, high date, salary, commission, and also department number. There is a one table of EMP. Just check department table. Department table also. Select star from DEPT, department table. Okay. Just check what is available. See, department number. Here also department number available. Department name and the location. Now, I want to join these two tables, guys. Which tables? One is EMP table and another one is department table. EMP table and department table. Okay, I want to join. How I can join? Based on some common column, guys. Okay, based on some common column. Here also one common column. Here also one common column. In our case, what is a common column in both the tables, guys? What is a common column in both the tables?
Department number.
Yes, department number is a common column from both the tables. See, guys, it's very simple. It's very simple. I'll show you a general syntax. Okay, general syntax. How to join? Select star from. Normally, what we write? Select star from EMP. Okay, EMP, right? Comma. See, DEPT also I will write. This is new for you guys. Okay, I'm selecting all the columns from where? EMP table as well as department table. Now I want to write the where condition, means joining condition. Where, okay, EMP dot department number equals to department dot department number. Means what is the meaning? I want all the columns from which tables? EMP table and department table. But the joining condition is what? In employee table, employee number should match with in department table, department number. Sorry, in employee table, department number should match with department table and department number. Got it? This is the joining condition, guys. Okay, this is called join condition. Okay, join condition. Let's see, I will run. If you see the output, you will understand. Okay, now please tell me up to this. Okay, which column it is, which table it is,
EMP table.
and this one,
Department table.
department table. Okay, department table. See, guys, where E dot in EMP table, department number is equals to DEPT dot department table. It is joining based on what? EMP dot department number equals to, okay, department dot DEPT number, right? Both the tables are joined based on this joining condition. Guys, any doubt in this? Please see and reply everyone. This is very important topic. We'll go slowly. Did you understand?
Sharukh, we
Yeah.
can join only if we have same columns. in two
Yeah,
tables?
same. See, same columns. I mean, there is a two type of joins: equi-join, non-equi-join. Okay. See, here we are joining based on equals to, means here department number, here means there should be one common. We means based on one common column only we have to join. There should be, okay, in case of equi-join. But one more condition. For example, here D uh, department, okay, instead of D number, here think that the column name is D number. Here I have department number. Spellings need not to be matched. Got it? See, data should be same. The data type should be same. But it is not compulsory to be same column names. See guys, in EMP table, think that department number spelling is D number. Okay, that column name. In department table, department number column is DEPTNO. Okay, so it will also be work. If you want to join two tables, there should be a common column, but the spellings no need to be matched. Which spellings? Column name spellings need not to be matched. Even if we match, okay. If not match, also not a problem. Understood or not what I say? I'll show you multiple examples.
Yeah, understood, Sharukh.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay. See, guys, here so many things you have to learn. Okay. Let me tell you all the examples, all the different things. See, guys, we can write for okay. We can write in different ways. See, select star means all columns from which table? EMP table. For EMP table, can I give alias name as E, comma, DEPT for department table as D. Okay, so now once I declare these column names, guys, EMP as E, department as D. So from now onwards, where E dot in EMP table, what is a column name? Department number equals to D dot department number. Means I can use these shortcut forms, guys. Okay, I can use these shortcut forms. Okay, let's see. Same output. Okay, same output. Same output. See, same output. But what is the difference? For employee, okay, table, I have given alias as E, and the department table, I have given alias as D. For example, guys, I have a one question. I want all the employees who are working in, I want all the employee details who are working in which locations we have? New York, Dallas. Assume that Dallas location. Okay. I want all the details of employees who are working in Dallas location. Guys, just to see the question, he's asking what? Employee details who are working in Dallas location. See, this employee details available in which table?
EMP table.
EMP table. This Dallas, nothing but location details is available in which table? Department table.
Department table.
So he is asking, okay, means he wants the data from two tables. So we need to join now. We need to join means if I want to answer this question, I have to join these two tables. See how I will do. Let's write select, okay, start from which table? EMP table as E, comma, department table as D. Just write where condition means joining condition where E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If you write like this, what will happen? Same guys, you get all the data. But what data I want? I want only a data which is related to Dallas, okay? Dallas location. I have New York, Chicago. Instead of all these things, I want only what? Dallas location. So what I can do guys here? If I want to filter the data, already where condition is saving, multiple filter means what I can do? Can I use AND operator? And, okay, in D table, in department table, D dot LOC, location. See, column name is what here? LOC. D dot location equals to which location?
Dallas.
Dallas. That's all. Let's check. So you can see only a data which is related to what? Dallas. John, Scott, okay, Smith, Adam, okay. Everyone is working in Dallas location. Understood, guys? We have joined the table, and on top of this joining, we filter the data. Okay, we joined this table, and on top of this, we filtered the data. Clear? Okay, fine. I hope everyone can able to understand, guys. Okay. If not, please let me know. We'll go to see. Here's some more things, guys. Okay, we'll learn some more things. Okay. See, select E dot star, comma D dot star. From which table? From EMP as E, comma. Another table is what? DEPT as D. Just write next, where E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So what does it mean? What does that mean? Means E dot star means guys, all the columns in EMP table. It indicates what? All the columns in EMP table. D dot indicates what? D dot star means all the columns in department table. Why? For EMP table, I have given like E. Understood, guys? For EMP table, I have given alias name as what? E. For department, I have given alias name as what? D. So E dot star means all the columns in employee table. D dot star means all the columns in department table. See, does it works or not? See, guys, it will work. Now, what is the difference above and this one means? See, even if I join this table, if I select only, let me write here only, okay? Okay. Control C. Can I remove this? Only D dot star. If I remove this, what will happen, guys? What is your expectation? Can you please guess and explain me what will be the output? In select statement, I'm only trying to fetch what? Only data related to employee table. See, I joined these two tables, but in output, I'm just fetching what? EMP data. It is showing what only? Employee data. Can I one more thing? If I remove, what will happen? You can guess and tell me now. Select D dot star from, it will show only department data.
Departmental.
Table data.
Department data. Okay. See, while you are joining multiple tables, you can mention like this, guys. Okay. When it will be useful means, for example, okay, I want only, for example, just wait, yes, 1 minute. Oh, hey, sorry guys, I have some important call. Okay. Uh, see, what is the importance of this means? See, guys, you can use select E dot star. Okay. For example, let me tell you one thing. Select E dot, where is this star, comma. Now you can mention whatever the in department table, for example, you don't want all the columns. Okay, you don't want all the columns. You want only specific columns. For example, you want department name, comma, only d dot d name. Okay, d dot d name, comma. If you want, okay, l dot, sorry, d dot location, from which table? From EMP as E, comma, DEPT as D. From which table? From E dot, where condition, guys? It is must and should, where E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So guess, guys, what will happen? Now you please guess and tell me. See, instead of writing all the columns from EMP table, if you write simply E dot star means it will cover all the employee, all the columns in EMP table, right? Now, in department table, whatever the columns you want to write, you can write now. D dot D name means in department table, department name. D dot location means in department table, location. Understood or not? See, instead of writing all the columns in EMP table, okay, so you can write E dot star, and from another table, whatever the columns you want, you can write. See what will happen. Not ended properly. Where?
Instead of where condition, you have given from.
Oh, thank you. Where? E dot department number. Okay. In the speed, I just didn't focus this, guys. Okay. Department number, department number. Okay, fine. Now it will work. Definitely it will work. See, guys, E dot star, due to E dot star, it is fetching up to this. And D dot star means D dot star
Department name and
and
location.
location. Got it? So instead of this, for example, in employee table, you want what? Select E dot E name, comma, E dot salary, comma, E dot hire date. Only these three columns you want. Okay. Next, in department table, all the columns you want. Then what you can do? See, instead of writing all the columns, you can keep D dot star. From which table? From EMP as E, comma. Let me copy and paste by every time. Got it? In employee table, employee name, employee table, salary. In employee table, hire date. These three columns I want from EMP table. And in department table, I want all the columns. And from which tables? Employee table, comma, department table, where E dot department number equals to D dot department number. That's all, guys. You can check right now. See the output. First, I have what? E dot E name, salary, hire date. Okay. And in department table, what I have? And in department, all the columns. Got it? These are all the some basic things, guys. Okay. You have to understand. Okay. And what is the next thing that we can discuss means, guys, this is, there are two type. Okay. Let me go to the documentation instead of this. I hope everyone understood, right? Any doubts as of now? Any doubts? Hope there will be no doubts. Okay, let me go to another. Okay. See, guys, there are some different type of joints is available, guys. Okay, there are some different type of joints. These joints are also different types. What are all the different type of joints we have means? So the first one is what, guys? Generally equijoin or inner join. Normally what we call equijoin or inner join. Next we have what? Outer join. Coming to outer join, okay, left outer join, right outer join, and a full outer join. Okay, and a non-equijoin. There is a non-equijoin is also there. Self join. Okay, there is a concept called self join, cross join, or else Cartesian. Okay, so we have to understand these six types, guys. Okay, so basically these four are very important. Which four? Which four, guys? These four are very important. Okay, inner join, left join, right join, full join. Basically what we call inner join, okay, left join, okay, next right join, and then full join. Okay, full join. So what is the difference between inner join? See guys, for inner join, we can also call it as what? Equi-join. Okay, equi-join. Okay, so in outer join, normally in outer join, it is a part of subcategories, guys. You can just simply you can set inner join, left join, right join, full join. Okay, you can call. Okay, so guys, there are two types. Okay, let's see first of all equi-join or inner join. What is a equi-join or inner join means? Equi-join performed between the tables sharing common field and the name of the common field need not to be same. Okay, and the primary key foreign key relationship is not compulsory. Okay, I'll show you practical. Don't go to all this theory part. And see, join condition. Okay, join condition specifies in which row of first table should be joined with which row of second. See guys, first of all, we are writing select columns from table. See, this is important now. We have to write what? Join condition. We have to write what? Join condition. Okay, means table 1 dot common field equals to table 2 dot common field. This already we have discussed, guys. That is nothing but what? EMP dot department number. Just now we have discussed, right? EMP dot department number equals to TEPT dot department number. Understood? See, first we write which tables I want to join, and based on what? See, joining condition specifies. Join condition specifies what? Which row of first table should join with which row of second table. Based on this joining condition only it is joining, right? This join is called equi-join because equi-join condition based on what? Equals to operator. Understood, guys? If I join any tables based on the equals to operator, then we can call them as a equi-join or simply inner join. Okay, so whatever we have done here, guys, this is nothing but inner join only. Okay, inner join only. Okay, I'll explain you what is the difference between inner join, left join, right join, okay, full join. Just see this as of now. Okay, see guys, this is the only example we have discussed right now. So I think no need to discuss. You please go through this documentation. You will understand this. Okay. See, employee table, department table. What is a common column? Department number, department number. Okay. So for example, if I want employee number, employee name, salary, department name, location, can you just tell me what is the syntax? Select. Can I give first column employee number? Employee number means e dot e name, comma. What is the next column we want? Sorry, employee number, guys, employee number. EMP number. Next column is what?
Employee name.
Please, you just try to tell me, then I will understand. Could you understood or not? See, first of all, employee number. So select E dot EMP number, comma. Okay. Next one is what? E dot E name. Guys, it is not compulsory. You can give directly also. Okay. E dot, but it is a best practice when we are giving alias names, right? For tables, you should mention the table dot column name. This is nothing but what? Table name dot column name. Okay. Why I am giving E? Because I am going to, for employee table, I am going to give its a table name as what? E, nothing but alias name. Anyway, E dot employee number, E dot E name. Next, E dot salary. What are the next columns?
E dot department number.
E dot department number. Next, another columns what? No.
D.
I think
E dot
I want to
D.
display only this employee number, employee name, salary, department name, and location. So I don't want here. I just want this guys. This display employee number, employee name, salary, department name, and location. Then D dot D name means in department table, D name, comma, D dot location. All this from which table? All this from which table? From EMP
EMP
and
take.
E.
E, comma, TEPT as
T.
D. Now I need to write the joining condition, right? I told Oracle to join, but I need to write the joining condition now. Where? Okay, where? What is the joining condition? Employee table department number should match with in department table department number. Nothing but E dot department number equals to D dot department number. That's all, guys. You can cross check with this. Okay, so he didn't return E dot number, E dot name, but end of the day, since he didn't give in the alias names, he has used what? Full forms. But I have given the alias names. Instead of writing full forms EMP dot department number, simply I have written E dot department number. That's all. Hope you guys understood. Understood or not?
Yes, Sharukh, understood.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Slowly we'll go. It's a lot of things is there. Okay, this is very old. Okay. There is a one problem is there, guys. Okay. For example, let me write one thing. Now I'll write one thing, guys. Select. Okay. Select e name, comma. E name, comma. Salary, comma. And also what? E name, salary, department number I want. Department number, comma. D name, department name, comma. Location. From which tables? From EMP, comma. Department tables where D dot depart, sorry, EMP dot department number equals to department dot department number. Guys, is there any error now? Is there any error in this table, in this query, as per your knowledge up to now?
No.
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 We
There
have
will
given D name, na department name.
D name. That's all. D name only. Department name. You can check the department table. It is showing D name only. Select star from DEPT. See. D name only. I want what? Employee name, salary, department number, department name, location. These are all I want. From EMP, comma, department table where EMP dot department number equals to DEPT dot department name. I have written. Is there any wrong in the syntax? No, there is no any wrong. Okay.
No.
Can I run this? There is a one
Yes.
problem. Can you please read yesterday in a SQL class, guys? Yesterday in a Snowflake class, I have explained this. Okay. What is the error? Column
Ambiguously defined.
ambiguously defined means, see guys, in EMP table also there is a column called department number. In department table also there is a column called what? Department number. Now I am joining and I am fetching only one. Okay, I am fetching only what? Some specific columns. In that specific column, I mentioned what? I want DEPT number also. Now Oracle will get confused, right? The means whether it has to pick the department number from EMP table or department table. See, E name is available in which table?
Both.
Employee table.
Employee table.
Employee table.
Salary also in employee table. Department name is only department table. Department location is in
Department table.
department. But this DEPT, see, if I remove this column, now I'll show you one thing. If I remove this column, there will be no any error. See, you won't find any error like that. It will work.
Understood, sir.
Why? Where is the problem? What? So,
Department number or only department?
see, it is working. I just not selected. See, if I don't use the department number, it will work. Why? Because now this no employee number belongs to employee table. Salary belongs to what? Employee table. Department name belongs to department table. Location belongs to department table. Okay. But whenever I give DEPT number, department number, we are getting this error. Why? Because it is available in, it is common column in both the table. So Oracle don't know from which table it has to fetch that department table. So that's the reason, guys. That's the reason whenever you are using joins, right? It is the best practice. Okay, it is the best practice. What is that best practice? Okay, instead of writing, I will copy and modify here. Then you will understand. See, for this column, for employee table, can I give alias name as E? For department table, I give as D. Okay. Now, if I mention, guys, for example, ERD, anything I will mention. Now, instead of giving all these column names, can I give E dot department number? Now, D dot department number. Now, I just mentioned E dot. Now, what is the meaning, guys? It has a proper meaning, right? Means department table, I am fetching from which table? Department number fetching from which table I am?
Employee table.
EMP
Now
table.
there is no any error. See, there is no error. Similarly, if I do the same thing, instead of E, if I give D, now check, it will also be work. Now I am fetching this department number in department table. There will be no error. Okay. So this is the best way, guys. Okay. So mentioning column dot in Snowflake also, you have seen, right? Some people who are attending what database name dot, schema name dot, table name. Similarly, while we are joining a table, while we are joining multiple tables, it is best practice that which column is coming from which table. Okay, now the code is very proper, right? E dot e name, E dot salary, comma, E dot department number. Now D dot D name, now department table, comma, D dot location. From which table? From EMP table, I will give as E, comma, department table, like write as D, where, okay, where E dot department number equals to D dot department number. That's all, guys. Now it is a very highly specific, right? Which column is coming from which table? Is it clear what I mean to say? It is very best practice, guys. Okay. When you are writing, when you are joining multiple tables, when you are working in real time, there are different columns. So you don't know which column is coming from which table. So everyone will do like this. Table name dot column name. But if think that here simple, guys, EMP means simple. Table name might be if it is a very big, like that code means. So for this, anyway, whatever the table name, you can write any shortcut name for this, means alias name, and you can use that alias name. Hope clear for everyone. Let me write. See, guys. Okay. So if you don't want to get any ambiguous problem means, so you can use this, okay, column name. First table name dot column name. Clear this concept?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's check quickly another, guys. In joining queries, declare tables alias prefix. See, that is what, guys. See, this is shows error. Whatever I explained, that's expression. In join queries, declare table alias as prefix column name with the table alias for two reasons. First one is what? What is the advantage of giving names, guys? What is the advantages of if I do like this? Means giving prefix of the table name. This is what table name. I am giving this as a prefix. You know about the prefix, right? Prefix means which we give before any word. Suffix means after the word. See, if we give any prefix of table name, what will be the advantage? Two advantages. We can avoid the ambiguity. And next one is faster execution. So Oracle no need to check this employee number. Is it coming from employee table or department table? No need to check. Simply you written what E dot EMP number. So directly it will fetch some faster execution. So this is a best way. Select E dot employee number, E dot E name, E dot salary, D dot, okay, whatever. Now, okay, guys, now let's see. Can anyone answer this question? Can anyone answer? Display employees working at where? New York location, guys. Can anyone please?
Select
Yes,
E dot
select.
star, E dot
Okay.
star,
Okay. This way also I can try E dot star, comma,
comma,
instead of
D
yes,
dot,
E
E
dot
dot star,
star.
comma, D dot LOC.
D dot star you have given now. You want to give only LOC? Okay. Okay, fine. All
Okay,
employee
and then
detail.
from
Okay. Okay. From
EMPE and department as D.
D. Good. Good. Okay.
Where
All the columns from employee table, comma, location details. Okay. Now,
join
where,
condition, where E
where
dot
that's all. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. That's all. Okay. So that's all. It will give what? All the locations. Okay. All the locations, all the employee table and only one column from department table. Now what I want only a,
and
yes, and
Location
LOC,
LOC equal to
LOC,
yes. Which LOC? D
New York,
dot
D dot.
D dot
D
LOC
dot LOC
is equal
equals
to
to
New York.
New York. Good. No data found. Why? Spelling mistake. Okay. Yeah, space is there, guys. New York space is there. Okay. New York. Hope you guys understood. Let's quickly go and have some more examples. Let's see. Joining more than two tables. Okay. For example, guys, up to now, what we have done? Up to now, what we have done? This is one table. This is another table. Okay. We are joining these two tables based on what? Common column. Okay. For example, now there is a one scenario, guys. There is a one scenario. What is that scenario? What is that scenario? One table, second table, third table. Means now more than two tables. Simply not three tables. I will say joining more than two tables. How we can do means same, guys. Okay. Same. You have to join these two. After joining with this result, okay, with this result, or you can join these three, guys. Let me show you how we can join multiple tables. Okay. See, if number of tables increases, then number of joining conditions also increases. And to join n table, n minus one join conditions required. For example, guys, if you are joining two tables, how many join conditions we have written? Only one join condition, right? Like EMP dot department number equals to department dot department number. Okay. Similarly, for example, if I am joining 10 tables, okay, I need to write how many joining conditions? 9 joining conditions. That's what here written. If I want to join n tables, okay, how many joining conditions I want to write means n minus 1. N minus 1. That's just simple, guys. Okay. Assume that, see, there is a table, guys. One table is what? EMP table. Another table is what? Department table. Another table is what? There is a location tables. And the last one is what? Countries table. Please observe everyone carefully. First of all, you just tell me one thing. What is a common column between, let me write this. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay. So one table is what? EMP table, employee table. Second one is department table. Third one is the location table. And the fourth one is what? Countries table. Guys, it's very simple. Just tell me what is a common column between these two tables? Employee table and department table.
department number.
Department number.
Department number. Between department table and location tables.
Location ID.
Between location tables and countries table.
Country ID.
That's all. Now let me write a query. Here I will write, for example, think that, let's see, guys, select, okay. Let me write from this point onwards, okay. Hmm. Okay, guys, select. For example, for employee table, can I give E dot star? E dot star. Comma, for department table, D dot star, can I give? Comma, locations table, L dot star, can I give? All the columns from L table, comma. Countries table, C dot star. Got it? I mentioned, instead of this, you can simply give what? Instead of all these things, if you give star also, that's enough. Select star. Okay. Anyway, for just understanding purpose, I'm writing from which tables? EMP. For EMP table, can I give alias name as what? E, comma. Next one is department table as D. Okay, guys. Only two tables are. No, right? We have two more, na? That's why comma. What is the next table? Location table. Can I give location table as L? And one more thing, countries. Okay, for countries, can I give as C? Understood? See, guys, I have written condition. Select select instead of this, guys. In first time, if you want, you can give instead of this, you can keep what? Star also means all the columns. Select star from EMP, comma, department table, comma, location as L, comma, countries as C. Now I will write the where condition. Where? What is that? E dot in EMP table. What is the common column?
Department number
Department number should be
equals
equals
to
to D dot
D dot department number.
department number. Okay. This is a joining condition. One condition I have written. Similarly, and. Okay. And between D table, D dot location ID, LOC ID. See, LOC ID equals to, okay,
L dot location ID.
location ID. And one more condition. Okay. And now L dot country ID.
Country ID.
Okay. Country underscore ID equals to
C dot country ID.
C dot country underscore ID. That's all, guys. This is a solution. Now, how many tables we have? How many tables we have joined? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many joining conditions I have written? 1, 2, 3. Means if I want to join 4 tables, okay, how many joining conditions? 3 joining conditions. Simple, guys. One table to one table. See, in between these two tables, this is a common column. Between these two tables, this is a common column. Okay. In this way, you can join multiple tables. I hope everyone clear this and understood, I hope.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it's a simple, guys. Like in this way, you can join. Okay. After this, if you want to write a condition also, you can write under where country ID equals to so and so, where city equals to, like you, whatever, you can pick any column from the any table and write the filter condition. Means whatever the data you want to filter. That's all, guys. See here also that only written. Select E dot E name, D dot D name, L dot city, L. Okay. All the columns. They featured some columns, guys. Okay, randomly. They featured some columns. Instead of start, they featured some columns. Okay. From which tables? From these 4 tables. And 1, 2, 3. 3 joining conditions they are written. That is only solution. Okay. This is what? Native style, guys. Up to now, what we have written? Native style means normal style. See, there is a 2 type. We can write joining queries in 2 types, guys. 2 styles. One is native style, means normal way by writing where condition. There is a one more way is there, guys. What is that? ANSI style. ANSI means American Nation Standard Institution. What is the advantage by writing the joining condition in ANSI style means this ANSI style may support in all other databases, guys. For example, okay, ANSI style, you have written some code, guys. That same code you copy and paste in another database also, it will work same. Okay, see, for example, in which database I'm working right now, guys? Oracle database. Okay, the same code, if I write the joining condition in ANSI style, the same code if I write in DB2 or any other databases, guys, which is RDBMS database, like DB2, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, or a Postgre, or like this Snowflake also, same thing. ANSI style means nothing, guys. Instead of writing this, right? Okay, let me show you. ANSI style means there is some keywords is there, guys. Keywords, that's all. Okay, let me show you in detail. I will explain you in next class what I mean to say. ANSI style means we'll write a keywords. Keywords. What are all the keywords means? If I want to do inner join, there is a inner join keyword. Okay. If I want, okay, same left join. Okay, left join. Okay, and one more thing, right join. Okay, and the last one, full join. Guys, let me show you. Let me show you ANSI style. How I can join the, okay, so join EMP, comma, department tables in ANSI style. In ANSI style. Simple, guys. What is a normal style? What is a normal way? Select star from EMP, comma, DEPT. Okay. Where what? EMP dot department number equals to DEPT dot department number. This is what we write now. Okay. Normal way. The same thing I will write. Select star. Okay. See, guys, select star from EMP. See, guys, for EMP table, I'm going to join. What type of a join? Inner join. I will explain you guys difference between inner join, right join, left join. See what I have written between EMP table and department table. What I am doing? Inner join with which table? Department table. Normally, what we write? Where condition we write now? Here, not where condition. On. We write what? Keyword called on. What? EMP dot department number equals to DEPT dot department number. Got it? Same output, guys. See? Same output. Same output. See? If you run this one, it is a normal style. Okay? Normal one. Or if you run this one, both are same. Guys, did you understood? What is the difference? Here we give comma. Instead of comma, here we give that keyword inner join. Instead of where, here what we give? Now I can give, okay, for the same thing. Now everything is same as, okay. Select star from EMP as E, same inner join. Here also I can write with DEPT as T on. Here now I will write what? E dot DEPT number equals to D dot DEPT number. Got it? See? Same thing, just to write only keywords, guys. For example, I want employees who are working in Dallas location. I want employee EMP details, okay, who are working in, okay, Dallas location. In ANSI style, how I can write, guys? Select star from which table? EMP table as E, inner join with the department table as D, okay, on, write the joining condition. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Okay. So now I want to filter. If you want to filter, you can come back to where condition. Where? So up to now, you write what? Just give me 1 minute, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, all of you. Just give me confirmation I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
See, we can write in an ANSI style. Then where condition? What is D dot location equals to Dallas. Okay. Not properly ended. Where D dot location?
Inner spelling.
Uh-huh. Let's have only data which is related to Dallas location. Okay. Same thing as if you want to do a left join, right join, any join, right? Okay. For example, same code you can copy and paste. Okay. See, if you want the same thing, if you want to do left join, okay, left join. Okay. Instead of what is the difference? Instead of inner, what is the join you want to do? Left. That's all, guys. Now it is left join. Okay. Similarly, right join. If you want to do right join, what is the difference? What you have to change here? Just a keyword called or right join. Okay. Select start from EMP as E. What join? Right join with which table? Department table based on what columns? Department number columns. It will do a right join. Now, last one is full join. Okay. Full join. Full join means instead of writing left join, you can keep what? Full join. Okay. But what is the what we have to understand what is difference between okay inner join, left join, okay, right join, and also what? Full join. Okay. So once we understood now, then it will be easy for us. Okay. So guys, will you practice up to this level? Whatever I explained you today.
Yes, sure.
Okay, remaining things. Okay, so if I started explaining you about this inner join differences, right? So it's already 1 hour, right? So you can't able to focus much. So that's the reason. Okay, so I just explained you code, guys. Code. But what is the difference from left join to right join to inner join? Everything in next session I will explain you. Okay. So what my request for today is you please go through from basics, select EMP department table, try to join, okay, and filter the data and whatever the rules I told you, right? Alias names, E dot stars, okay. You practice all these things and then I will continue from tomorrow next session. In next session, I am going to complete this joins concept. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then bye all of you. We'll connect in next session. Okay. Please practice before you are coming to next session. This is important. It is a continuous from that. Okay. If you won't understand this part, right, tomorrow 100% you won't understand the upcoming concepts. Okay.